Hi, this is Anne with My Service Depot. In this video, we're going to learn how to send and receive correspondence with Routzy and Smart Service. To begin, I'm going to search for the prospect that I wish to dispatch correspondence for. We'll go ahead and enter in Ben's name and open up his prospect profile. Next, I'm going to select the Correspondence tab. This is where I'll be able to add correspondence as well as see correspondence that was generated in the field by my sales rep. We can see here that we have a follow-up scheduled, as well as a few pictures that were added from the field. Let's take a look at this drawing. If I open up the picture, we can see what the sales rep drew directly inside of Routzy. Let's go ahead and dispatch a request for a phone call. I'm going to select Add Correspondence and select Phone Call as my type of correspondence. The most important thing to remember about correspondence is that we need to send it to our sales rep. So for the Assign To, I'm going to select Avery, as well as the date and time that this prospect would like to be contacted. We'll go ahead and say that Avery needs to call at 5 o'clock this afternoon. We'll add a brief description about why the customer would like to be called, and click Save. We'll see in Smart Service that this is now listed under Ben's correspondence, and if we take a look at our calendar, we'll also be able to see this appointment directly on the scheduling board for Avery. Let's go ahead and go to the 28th, and we can see that appointment at 5 o'clock. Within a matter of minutes, our technician will be able to receive this on their device as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at Routzy. Inside of Routzy, in my contacts, we'll go ahead and select Ben Simmons, and we can now see that appointment as a call out scheduled for 5 o'clock this afternoon. By clicking on the call out, I can then add my additional notes. What did we discuss? Do I need to call back? I can even select the date and time at the top to reschedule this if I do need to call back later. Once I've updated my information, I can select Done, and I can continue on to my next activity. Another place that we can see this information is if we go into Analytics and my Activity Detail. This is going to give me detail of all of the appointments that I have scheduled for my selected period of time. So if we scroll down to the 28th, we'll be able to see that activity scheduled for Avery later today. If I tap on that activity, it will go ahead and open up that phone call, where again I can add my notes and finish the call out. At the top left, if I click Go to Contact, I can go into Ben's profile. That way, if I need to add additional items to the proposal, even create a new proposal or add another follow-up, I can do so directly from that activity. Once I'm done, I'll simply hit Back, Sync, and that information will now reflect both in Routzy and Smart Service. For more tips and tricks, follow us at smartservice.com.